Welcome to all. Today we will discuss about video lecture series on Introduction to Aerospace Engineering in a part of gas dynamics. So before we go into that video, first we know about what is gas dynamics. So gas dynamics means it is the study about the air properties when it will be in a movement position and it will be produce some amount of energy and thrust. So in this video lecture series, we will discuss about one type of jet engine in under the gas dynamics propulsion. So here the components will be used in gas turbine engines is diffuser, compressor, combustion chamber, turbine and nozzle part. Final one is a nozzle part. So the basic principle of gas dynamics piston engine is fuel energy is converted into mechanical energy and finally it will be converted into electrical energy. So previously we said that the components of a diffuser is this is the component of a diffuser. So the main function of the diffuser it will be suction of the air from the atmosphere. So the air is passed into the engine part through the diffuser section. These are the here is the some blade sections are will be having here for the amount of air section intake with respect to the cruise level condition. The next part it will be after the diffuser is it is a compressor. So the compressor function is mainly is used to compress the air from the low amount of pressure to high amount of pressure. And these are the two types of compressor will be is having is a axial flow compressor and also is a reciprocating air compressor. So after that compression section, the air is slightly moved into the combustion chamber part. So here is the combustion chamber part. Here it will be the fuel air mixture ratio will be happening. The fuel is will be from the fuel tank and air will be occupied with after of the compression part. It will be in a high amount of pressure air. So here it will be produced with some amount of igniting will be produced. So this ignite and heat fluxure it will be passed through the next portion. It will be a turbine part. So that turbine part, the aircraft section, it will be converted into is a next level operating procedure. So the commonly turbine is used for a mechanical work produced. So the turbine part from the gas turbine engine, the engine is from the diffuser is to the turbine part. The automatically the pressure properties, the mechanical properties, it will be slightly increased. The pressure, temperature, and velocity also will be increased. And finally, it will be converted into the final exit point is in a nozzle condition. So the nozzle it will be delivered some exhaust air into the final atmosphere. So this is the some basic working principle of gas dynamics in aircraft jet engine. So the from the first part from the diffuser to the final part is the nozzle will be part. So the mechanical or mechanical properties will be calculated using this entry level to exit level in using PV and TS diagrams. So the PV diagram and TS diagram of aircraft engine will be calculated using the what amount of air will be passed through the inlet part 2 and how much amount of air will be delivered from the exit part from the nozzle. So this is the general method for producing thrust in aircraft piston engine, and three methods will be used to increase the automatically thrust produced in aircraft piston engine is the first one is an thrust augmentation method. So these are the three types of thrust augmentation method is water injection method and bleed burn circle and L filter methods also. These are the methods are used to increase thrust in aircraft jet engine, and normally aircraft jet and gas turbine engines is taking air from atmosphere for this thrust production. This is the example and explain the working procedure of aircraft jet engine. Thank you.